In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Todoist. If you're anything like me, you probably spend a good chunk of your day ticking off tasks in Todoist. And as much as I enjoy the satisfaction of completing tasks, staring at a brightly lit screen for hours can be quite straining on the eyes. That's why switching to dark mode can be a game changer, offering a more pleasant experience and reducing eye strain during those late night productivity sessions. So let's dive in and transform your Todoist interface. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Todoist login page. You can easily find it by typing Todoist login in your search bar, or simply by clicking on the link provided if you're following along from a guide. Once you've reached the login page, you're going to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Todoist account. After you've typed it in, it's time for the next step, entering your password. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've done that, hit the login button. Congratulations, you're now inside your Todoist dashboard. But we're not here to admire the interface in its light mode. We're on a mission to switch it to dark mode. Navigate to the Today view or simply click on the provided link that takes you directly there. The Today view will show you all the tasks you've set out to accomplish for the day, but let's not get sidetracked. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or initial. Click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select the Settings option. This is your gateway to customizing your Todoist experience, including switching to dark mode. In the Settings menu, look for the Theme option. This might seem like a small step, but it's the key to unlocking that soothing dark mode interface. Click on Theme to proceed. Here we are at the heart of the matter. The Theme Settings page. You'll notice multiple options here, but your eyes should be set on one thing only. Dark mode, go ahead and click on it. Instantly you'll see the interface switch to a darker color scheme, transforming the vibe of your Todoist experience entirely. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Todoist. It's as simple as that. Dark mode not only helps with reducing eye strain during those late night task marathons, but also looks incredibly sleek. Plus, if you're working in a dimly lit environment, it helps keep your screen from being distractingly bright. I hope this guide was helpful and that you enjoy your new, eye-friendly Todoist interface. Remember, personalizing your tools to fit your needs can significantly enhance your productivity and well-being. So, don't be afraid to explore other settings and features that Todoist offers to make your task management even more efficient. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your digital tools and apps. Happy tasking in dark mode, and as always, stay productive.